What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Well, the reason I'm doing this video, Husky 12-volt inflator. Really didn't need it because I got, compressors and stuff on my truck, but this one plugs into. It's always good to have one of these. You never know. I'm coming out of the depot, and this is what I have. I got a tire going flat. Comes with a 15-foot cord. It's your Husky 12-volt inflator. Comes with a bag. Okay. Not a bad little system here. 35 bucks. Oh, grab that paper. Let me set it up. I'll be right back. Okay, what it comes with also, it comes with a little kit to do blow-up balls and stuff like that. Okay. And an extra fuse because there's an inline fuse. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring the unit out here. It's got a 15-foot cord. All right, let's take this off. Got a nice little extension here. Let's open up my valve. You put it on and then you just crank it down to lock it in place. And then you have an on and off switch here. Right here, and you have a gauge. Let's take this off the gauge. Let's turn it on. There you go, let it fill up. Keep an eye on the gauge. Look on your tire, it'll tell you if you're not sure how much to put in. Say it right in here. Okay. It says 80 PSI. We're gonna let that run and you're gonna keep an eye on that gauge. Yeah, I mean, friend, I was leaving thinking I was gonna get a flat, going home and get stuck and have to get a tow truck and everything else because I don't have a spare on this truck. These are oversized tires. I'm gonna give it some time to fill up and I'll let you know how I make out. Stay tuned. For about 4 or 5 minutes, it's not heavy duty, but it's doing the job. It's up to 20 pounds. All right, it's filling up. And for 32 bucks, it's not bad. I grabbed the cheapest one because, listen, I'm only going to use this how many times? And what I'll do is I'll actually keep it in the trailer because, listen, if I get a flat in that trailer, one of them tires, and I need to pump it up or whatever, you could use the cigarette lighter. I can't use my compressor because I won't have power. You know what I mean? So this is a good little buy. I recommend it. Grab one, throw it in your car, your trunk, and you can even use it to blow up pool floats and stuff if you're going to a lake or something like that. It comes with a nice little bag. All right, so we're going to throw it in the bag when I'm done, and we'll put it in the trailer. Or you know what? I'll keep it in my truck for things like this, for what happened today. But yeah, grab yourself a Husky 12-volt inflator. For the price, it's not bad, and it's going to save me some money, that's for sure. If I had to get this thing towed, it'd be a different story. And I don't feel like changing tires. I do have a tire under there, but like I said, it hasn't been taken off since I bought the truck. And I'm just not going to get into it. I'm going to pump this up, get it home, and we're going to figure it out from there. I got a station right near my house. We're going to drop it off. Most likely they're going to have to put a plug in it. Might have a nail. I tried looking for it. It's probably underneath. The Husky 12-volt inflator. Not bad. 32 bucks. Go get one. Take care. We'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny, are you here? Sonny. Hey, kid. Sonny. Yo, Sonny! You playing with your bowl again?